Hello, good morning. My name is Akash Shil. I am here to talk about the internship seminar carried out at Excel Technologies Private Limited. My internal guide is Professor Pratap MS and my external guide at Excelsoft Technologies is Subbu Krishna MV. Today I am going to talk about the company, my work accomplished in working there, and the skills gained and benefits from the internship. Coming to about the company, Excelsoft Private Limited was incorporated in the year 2000 and it is caters to learning and assessment interest and educational publishers. It's mostly an educational company which provides many websites and other documents and books, and it also works for the government, defense and corporate sector. The mission of Excelsoft is to provide the best e-learning solutions using state-of-the-art technologies that help our customers deliver better, faster and cost-effective e-learning solutions. Coming to accomplishments, we have completed machine learning projects in the following internship. And first we learned about setting up environment for ML project. We was not aware about the number of importing packages we need to import for a complete machine learning project. First thing was setting up environment, which was challenging, and we validated by running and analyzing project of fake news detection and GP2 text generator model. It is basically about news generated, classifying between news generated by machine and humans, and it was used by analyzing the text generating model. And also we have later we applied four machine learning algorithms for a loan prediction dataset. In that, using k-nearest neighbor classifier, random forest tree, support vector machine and logistic regression, we have predicted whether the loan can be given or not based on the data provided. Also, after completing the loan prediction project, we built a real-time project on Bengaluru house rate prediction. In that database, there was parameters like square feet, area, locality, BHK, and number of bathrooms. With all those parameters, we have built a model that computes the price of the house rate depending on all these parameters. This code segment shows the loan prediction method using linear regression algorithm. We can see the result at the last line. Where under the 0.5 means the loan can not be given as given to the customer. If it is greater than 0.5, it is considered as yes. Like later we have compared the training accuracy and test accuracy of the algorithms we have used, and finally we have concluded that the random forest classifier has the greatest test accuracy compared to all these algorithms, as you can see in the table mentioned. This is a snapshot of the codes done for the Bengaluru house datasets. This is done by using linear regression, and it is mostly the parameters considered are locality, dimension, BHK, and bath areas. Skills gained. There are technical skills and non-technical skills we have gained. Coming to technical skills, we were able to complete a full machine learning project, and we learned about setting up environment and the packages we need to import for ML, machine learning and Python programs. And also we learned about algorithms like support vector machine, k-nearest neighbor, random forest, and linear regression, and also how it works on a dataset. And also we gained knowledge about training and testing datasets and what are the difference between them and how it can be used efficiently. And also coming to non-technical skills, we learned how to learn. We used websites and other articles to learn and conduct a machine learning project. It improved our problem solving skills and critical thinking skills, and we monitored and corrected performance of ourselves within the team. And also we with the professional ethical behavior, we are able to manage with the guide and also complete the project. Also, applying knowledge to a task is the main objective here, as it's a real-time project, and negotiating and arriving at a decision helped in building our team management skills. Benefits of this income internship are it is a valuable work experience, and also effective team management and decision making are improved, having an edge on the job market. And this from this experience we have an edge in the job market, and also transition into a job, and we had a chance and opportunity to apply classroom knowledge. There is the certificate of the completion of my internship at Excelsoft Technologies Private Limited. Thank you.